I've got about, I don't know, a half mile of things at the side of the road to explore. I'm really excited. This should be really good. Got that house there. It's like farms. All of that. That's looking pretty interesting. And then it continues down, and then across the street we have this. And I intend on getting sweaty and stinky, sweating out some toxins, and just reeking awesome. Okay, approaching this house. And let's see, well, yeah, okay. I'm gonna get in there so I'm not visible out in the street. Like a garage area. I don't even know if I'll get into this one because it's boarded up. It's the backyard. Whoa. A fountain and a gazebo. Alright, so this one's totally boarded up. That's alright. Got plenty more to go. Yeah. Alright. This is the farm area attached to the house. It goes and goes. Let's go in here. Huh. I was kind of interested in this part. I always like it when I can get inside the buildings. It's odd. Huh. Okay. So this is me in one of the rooms. This barn cattle thing. Yep. So I'm going down that way. It's kind of okay, it's a little scary because like there's some dead things in here, and I know there's critters, and the building's moving with the wind, so it's kind of creepy, and that's why we do it. It's so much fun. to take a picture of that. Yeah, looks like whoever lived here had kids, and for a second I thought maybe they weren't here that, it wasn't that long ago. But looking at the how far the little Volkswagen sunk in the dirt there. Yep. Okay. Another one. Looking pretty cool. Not sure what this is, but gonna take a look. I think those are dog prints. All right, duck. Into the house we go. All right. Tight fit. That's what she said. Yeah, well. I hear car tires moving slowly in the dirt road right in front of this house right now. And I'm getting pretty nice and sweaty. I'm happy. Let's see. I think that's one of the things they used to, they would put in, tag the cows in the ears with. All right. Wow. A little lighting in here. I think my lens might be smeared. I'll see if I can't clean that. Okay, there's construction going on like almost directly across the street, so be careful, but it looks like this place is up for demolition. That's why I wanted to get here. Right. Very good day. I'm happy. I don't know, I just felt like talking a little bit. Maybe it's for myself, I don't know. But this is more than a hobby to me. This is a passion. I don't know, even that word sounds corny, but I love doing this. Seeing the things from other people's life left behind. It's, there's some history, and I hate the word hobby, it's not. And, I make a lot of sacrifices to do this because it means so much to me. I'm unemployed right now and living off eBay, and that's a lot of work and it's a lot of stress. But I get, today I got to come out and see all this. So that really makes it worth it for me. Maybe hard to understand, but I could work, a crappy job as long as my bills got paid. And I was able to go out and explore and take photos and see things. You know, I spent a lot of my life wasted, intoxicated, and I didn't do anything, and I just wasted so much time when I could have been going out and seeing all this cool stuff. But you know, that's the past, and I had to do that. I guess I had to go through that to get to where I am now. Really enjoying my life. I'm happy when I'm doing things like this. Okay, that's my that's a thought from Brian, or Brian's thoughts. Sobaire's thoughts. Yeah, gotta remember to use that name. Because this isn't recording. Yeah. Ninja Spy mode complete with action hero music. Dun 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 dun. That was stupid. Okay. I hope I don't fall through these stairs. Great. Wow. Alrighty. Okay, my heart's pumping pretty good right now. I like that. We also left a full bottle of cooking vino behind. Wasteful. And I would say the fly strip needs to be replaced. All right, good place here. Wow. Wow. Okay, photo time.